What determines the cost of hearing aids? It's kind of like any other medical procedure that you're going to have. The cost of hearing aids or any medical procedure is based on the expertise and experience of the individual who's going to be doing the evaluation and treatment. You could have the best hip or knee in the world, but if you don't have a good doctor who puts it in, you're not going to walk very well. It's the same thing with hearing aids. You're paying us for our expertise to make sure that it's done properly. 94% of the people who get hearing aids from a hearing care professional basically say that it's important or absolutely important that you see a hearing care professional in person. And 85% of the time, you're going to be satisfied with your hearing aids if you're fit with a hearing care professional. If you do it online, you're going to not be happy 58% of the time.